Menteri Ketenat Tourism ke Sorkar bapol lengdo Mynta kesngi ulah Pyllait pajba yaki program Tamasa senrai kaban sedang Naduh Risaw Mynta Snem ter hadu ubenai nopra Mynta Snem. Kini kita masa kiken Thup yaga Meghalaya Kayak Fest but 7th aho 4x4 off-road challenge hau Risaw. Nangta ka Shillong Cherry Blossom ka Shillong Literary Festival but Megong Festival hau Naiwing but ka Winter Tales pat hau nopra Mynta Snem.
Begin with the formal launch of Meghalaya's Autumn Calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. So we have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18. The 7th hour 4x4 off-road challenge, October 23rd till 25th. The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15. Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd. Megong Festival, November 28 and 29. And Winter Tales, December 11th till 13th. I would request that these copies be circulated to all of you. Let me also update you on Cherry Blossom. I'm joined by our Director of Tourism from Mynta and Jason Manners, who has been with Rockski, part of the organization which has partnered with Tourism Department over the past many editions of Cherry Blossom. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether, where there will be a walk-in facility, and the entire stretch of the road leading to Polo Ground will be pedestrianized throughout the 2 days of the festival. And also we will have various stalls and displays as one walks towards the stadium. So for day one of Cherry Blossom, as you are aware, I had made the announcement that we have Jason Dorulo and the script who will be headlining on day one. Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Fatehi, has also confirmed participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. She has a huge fan following in India, and her most known stage performance so far has been a performance at the FIFA World Cup held at Qatar in 2022. Cherry Blossom will be her first Indian show. For day two, we are in the negotiation stage with a few artists. We will be sharing information with you in the next 10 days. So if you have anything further on Cherry Blossom, you can ask now.